I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing resources so you don't stall mid-craft. Grab silk and plant fiber. Prioritize silk if available because it boosts durability. Once done, place your spindle or loom on a stable bench and clear 2 inventory slots so outputs don't break stacks. Now you're ready. Combine 3 silk plus 2 plant fiber at the loom to create refined thread. This yields material used to craft coarse thread. Make sure to keep backup fibers for retries. You now focus on conversion. Place refined thread and raw fiber in the crafting grid as shown in your recipe book. Because coarse thread requires a mix alternate inputs to achieve the exact ratio, use 1 refined thread with 1 plant fiber for consistent output. While crafting, watch tool speed and durability. Slower tools waste materials. If you have a loom upgrade or station bonus, make batches of 5-10 to save trips. Keep crafting until you reach the desired quantity. You finish by consolidating coarse thread into a storage container and tagging it for later use. This prevents accidental salvage. If crafting fails, inspect the recipe. Wrong fiber types or a missing refined thread are the usual culprits. Swap the incorrect item and retry. Make sure your workbench has extensions or a speed boost active. That reduces material loss and time. One key troubleshooting tip. If outputs seem low, pause and test a single craft to confirm ratios.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.